Okay, Jeffy, here's your peas and here's your Coke. Jeffy! Jeffy, just eat all your peas, okay?
But I want chocolate cake, Daddy.
You can get chocolate cake if you finish all your peas.
Promise?
Yes, I promise, Jeffy. Just finish all your peas. But your stupid Coke, after your stupid Coke. You know, I'll just leave it.
Daddy, all done.
Wait, you're all done?
Yeah. Ate all my peas, Daddy.
Are you sure it's not on the floor, Jeffy?
Nope, not on the floor. See, told you, not on the floor.
I guess you did eat all your peas. Wait.
Hey.
Jeffy, move.
No.
Jeffy!
What?
You put it on your seat, Jeffy!
Chocolate cake, please.
You're not getting any chocolate cake, Jeffy!
But you promised! You promised I can have chocolate cake! You promised!
Shut up, Jeffy! I said only if you ate all your peas. You're not getting any chocolate cake. Since you're being a bad boy, I'm gonna eat chocolate cake in front of you. What? Jeffy? Where'd he go? Jeffy! Jeffy, where'd you go? Jeffy! Jeffy, unlock the door! Jeffy! Unlock the door right now! Jeffy! You put that chocolate cake back! Jeffy! Jeffy! Oh, I'm gonna kill him. Jeffy, unlock the door! Jeffy! Jeffy, unlock the door! Jeffy! Jeffy, unlock the door! Jeffy, unlock the door right now! What am I gonna do? The front door. I go to the front door. Jeffy! 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 No! Jeffy! Unlock the door, Jeffy!
What's your password?
Let me inside my house, Jeffy!
Nope.
Okay, what am I gonna do? The garage. The garage! No! No! Jeffy! Jeffy! Oh my god! What am I gonna do? There's a window! The window open! Oh yeah. Oh, when I get up there, I'm gonna kill him.
Hey, Daddy, what I'm doing?
Jeffy!
What?
Just let me inside the house!
No.
What? You better not close that window, Jeffy.
Why?
Because I have to take my medicine. It's really important.
You don't take medicine, Daddy.
Yes, I do, Jeffy! Jeffy! Oh! Jeffy! Oh, God. Oh, I hate him so much.
What are you doing, buddy?
Excuse me, officer. I'm just trying to get inside my house, you know.
Inside your house?
Yeah.
Why don't you just use the front door?
Because my retarded roommate locked me out.
Really? Sounds like you got a grudge against somebody, huh?
Can you get that light out of my eyes?
No. Have you been drinking? Huh? Maybe a DUI?
Well, I haven't been driving or drinking.
Yeah, we'll see about that. So this is your house?
Yes, this is my house, and I'm just locked out. So can you help me get in?
Well, we'll go see. Come on.
He's not gonna answer.
We'll try the doorbell.
The doorbell?
Yeah.
What's the difference it's gonna make?
Yep, see, that's what it was.
Can I help you?
Yeah, excuse me, sir.
Jimmy, let me in.
What do you think you're doing? You can't just go barging into this man's house.
It's my house.
Well, we'll see about that. Excuse me, sir. I don't mean to bother you.
Oh, yeah, you are.
Oh, well, I'll try to make this quick. Does he live here?
Him?
Yeah, does he live here?
I've never seen him before in my life.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Jimmy, you know I live here.
Come on, Johnny, let's go. Come on.
I'm gonna kill him. I'm gonna kill him.
All right. Since you don't live here, I'm gonna have to ask you to get off the property.
I do live here.
Well, we just talked to the owner, and he says you don't.
How do you know he's the owner?
The man answered the door holding chocolate cake. He's obviously got money.
Doesn't mean he's the owner.
Well, okay. Either way, you can't go over there anymore. Okay? If I get another call saying that you're over here, you go into the slammer. All right?
What?
Drunk bastard.
Jay! Oh, what am I gonna do? It's freezing outside. I gotta get inside the house. The attic. I can go inside the attic. Let me get the ladder. Okay, I'm in the attic. Now how do I get inside the house? The air vent. The air vent. Yeah. Oh, Jeffy, here I come. Now when I see you, I'm gonna punch you in your retarded face. I hate you, Jeffy. I hate you. Oh my God, I can't wait to kill him. I'm coming for you, Jeffy. I'm coming. Oh my God. When I see him, I'm gonna punch him. I'm almost there. Oh, Oh, what am I gonna do? It's freezing outside. What are you doing, Jimmy?
Eating chocolate cake. What are you doing, Dad?
I'm freezing my ass off, Jimmy. Let me inside.
No.
Come on, please, Jimmy. I'll do whatever you want. I'll do whatever you want.
You do whatever I want. Well, I do need more chocolate cake, Daddy. You can go get me more chocolate cake, and that'll let you in. Well, after I eat it.
Chocolate cake. Okay, I'll get you the biggest chocolate cake. Just, I'll be right back.
Great. Must be my chocolate cake. And chocolate cake. That's my favorite. Can't wait to eat it. Oh boy.